Hey, what is up, guys? This is the AM Trader, and doing a recap for today. Um, Basically made about $70. No, $90. Sorry, $90.80 there. Um, 100% winning rate. Today traded on VTNR. VTNR has been a crazy volatile stocks. Um, it gapped from what, $1, $2, and went up to $11 now. So about 400% there. Um, Let me see. Yeah, let's see today. Look at that. Right, look at that gap. It started at $1 right here somewhere, $1.70, 80, right? And so let me see here. So from $2 went up to 11, and so that's 500%, guys. And so this stock has been super crazy. And so yeah, traded this morning. I saw that this jumped from 750 all the way to 1150, and right at the opening of pre-market, which is around 7 a.m. Eastern time and 5 a.m. Mountain time. This thing was dropping hard from 1150. It dropped all the way to 9, and so right when it started curling up, that's when I got in. Now, trend line, guys. Trend line, always draw your trend line, because trend line is a very basic indicator that can tell you when the trend is changing. And so drew my trend line. Right when it broke, I got in and waited for it as it curled up, sold it right here at VWAP, and made about 3.65%. Not bad. $70, $40, $70.40 there is my meat. And I'm not going for $1,000 right now. Why? Reason why is because I'm still down $25,000, below 25,000. So I'll be waiting until I get back up, staying consistent and getting back up to 25,000, so I can be able to change it to a margin account. That's when I can be able to be a little bit more aggressive. But anyway, so it touched my VWAP, sold it there, and then it started coming back down again, and I got in right here at 1984, and then sold it again at the VWAP. Being disciplined, not aiming for bigger price there. It did have news this morning that says that uh, analysts analyzing that the stock will be going to $17 from $2. And so I mean, if I had made that mine, if it's gonna go up to $17, I probably would have held longer. But no, that's not my strategy. I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna be continue buying down, buying the low and then selling the high. And so yep, as it's again here, it drops down lower, broke VWAP, drops lower here to 986 or 9. What's the low here? 965. I added more, not added more, but I added as this thing curled up, thinking I was going to continue and touch VWAP here, but it didn't. And instead, it dropped low and then continue dropping lower. I wanted to get in actually right around, what was the price that I was aiming for? Forgot. I was aiming for this price right here actually, $9. Never touched it, and so I was not able to double down, to average down basically. But yeah, it went up above VWAP, and that's when I sold it right here at 1010. And then it opened up right up here at 1005, and I got FOMO, so I got back in at 1009 and sold it here at 1019 for small gain there. Where is that? 9, what time is that? 9:33. 9:33. Yeah, so about $2 gain. And then so it closed right there, and then it opened right here. It started going upward, and I got FOMO, and I got in at 10:44 here, and it dropped closed right down here at 997, and I was holding. I wanted to buy a VWAP, but I was like, oh man, this could be, could be it. Like it could drop and start going down. If you guys can see this gray line right here, that's my average, right? It touched my average for a little bit. I wanted to get out high right here at 1050, didn't get filled. Instead, it dropped lower. I got in it here at 950, adding to average down a little bit. And I should have had more here at 9, but it didn't. Like I hesitated, and because I was thinking that it was gonna drop all the way to 750, but it didn't. Should have, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's not gonna make you any money, and so I missed that whole upper trend bounce, I guess. I don't know what you call it. And so higher lows, and finally broke VWAP, and that's when I sold at 999. Where is that? 1101. Yeah, made only 1.8% there, with $10 gain. Didn't hold long enough, but that's not my play. I was just aiming at VWAP, or at least broke that average. That's my average right there, 978. And so yeah, that is my play for VTNR. I do have swing trade here on IMVT. IMVT, if you look at it, IMVT, it dropped pretty hard this morning. How many percentage? 20, I think. Let's see. It's about 30, 39, almost 40%, and so it dropped pretty hard. I missed this because I was in VTNR, so I didn't pay attention until later, around 10 o'clock there, and so right when I got in, it was way too high already. So got in pretty high, average down on VWAP, and now it's going down. So I'll wait a little longer. If it touches 1015, I'll get back in. I'll add more, and then yeah, wait for maybe tomorrow or a couple more days. And so yep, that is my trade for today, guys. And hopefully you guys learned something. Not much, but steady upward trend is better than a red day, right? It's green is better than red day. Green day is better than red day. Anyway, oh man, let me tell you guys something. I was awake since 3 a.m. I think maybe even 2 a.m. this morning. So I am super sleepy, and now it's 10:04 a.m. So I've been up for a while. I couldn't go back to sleep, so I've been up, and so yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed. For those that are trading, hopefully you guys are staying green, and yeah, be disciplined, guys, and take your money if you're green. It's better to make money than lose money, and so yep. Anyway, if you guys learned something from the video, enjoy the video or whatever, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the alert button if you guys want to be alerted on the new videos that I posted almost every day, almost every weekdays. And so yeah, all right guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.